Okay, we're gonna go over how to download the Fintoch app for iPhone, right? So once you get on the website, as you can see, website.ftcchain.org, you scroll down to where it says iOS, right? You click on iOS, it's going to load up a new screen, right? Make sure you have already removed the management of your old app from your phone before you do this, right? So how do you remove the management? You make sure you come to General, Settings in the iPhone, VPN and Device Management, and make sure you have removed the old management. So now that I'm on the website, I'm going to click Download. Now when you click Download, you tap on Install, and it will begin to download the app on your home page. You see, now it's very, very direct and instant. It's going to be downloaded on the home page, as you can see. So now I will come back here, and once it is fully downloaded, right? Once it is fully downloaded, so let's see, it's still installing. FTC is still installing, it's still installing. And once it's done, you're going to come back to the website and click on Trust Developer. Trust Developer. So then you hit Allow. Then it's going to come up in your app. You're going to click on the Shanghai Rural Commercial, right? As you can see, you would click on Trust up there at the top. Click on Trust again, and you are done. Fully completed. You have now fully trusted and downloaded the app. You can open up your Fintoch app. So ladies and gentlemen, that is how you downloaded the new iPhone version. So